Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have x plus y equals to 2 and xy equals to 11, and we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So here first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. And now here we need to solve these two equations and we get the value of x and y. So here first we focus on equation number 1. So from 1 we move this x to the right hand side and we get our y equals to 2 minus x. And we call this is our equation number 3. And now we substitute this value of y in equation number 2 so that our equation number 2 implies that this is x times of y, and we have the value of y is 2 minus x and it is equals to 11. And now in the next step here we multiply this x on both of these two terms and it will be written as 2 times of x minus x square equals to 11. And now in the next step we move these two terms to the right hand side and it will be written as, when we move this minus x square to the right hand side it will becomes plus x square, and when we move this plus 2x to the right hand side it will becomes minus 2x, and this is already lies plus 11 in the right hand side and the whole equals to 0. So you see here this equation becomes quadratic in x variable. So now we solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula, and first we get the values of x. So here we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2 and c equals to 11. And now we substitute the values of a, b and c in the quadratic formula, and you know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and now we substitute the values of a, b and c here. So first we put the value of b and it is minus 2, and we write it as minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. So b is minus 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 11, and this whole divided by 2 times of a, and our a is equals to 1. So here we need some simplification, and we have this minus times of minus becomes plus 2 plus minus square root of this is minus 2 square, and we know that minus 2 square equals to 4, and this is 4 times of 11 equals to minus 44, and it is divided by 2. So here we need simplification, and we just subtract this 4 by 44 and it will be written as 2 plus minus square root of minus 40, and it is divided by 2. And now we just rewrite this equation as 2 plus minus. Here you have 40 and we write this 40 as 10 times of 4, and we write the square root of minus 1 and it is divided by 2. And now in the next step here we just first separate this fraction and it will be written as 2 over 2 plus minus. Here you see that the square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of 10 is square root of 10, and it is divided by 2. And here we know that square root of minus 1 is iota. So now in the next step this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we have 1 plus minus this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we have square root of 10 into iota. So these are the two values of x, but these are the complex values. And now in the next step here we move towards to find the values of y using these values of x. So here first we write the positive value of x, and it is 1 plus square root of 10 into iota, and here we write the negative value, it is 1 minus square root of 10 into iota. So here we need equation number 3. So first we copy down equation number 3 it is y equals to 2 minus x. This is our equation number 3. And now we substitute these two values of x in this equation and we find the corresponding values of y. So first we put this value of x here and we get y equals to 2 minus x, and over x is 1 plus square root of 10 into iota. And now we need simplification. We multiply this minus sign on both of these terms, then it will be written as minus 1 minus square root of 10 iota. So this is 2 minus 1 is equals to 1 minus square root of 10 into iota. So this is the value of y corresponding to this value of x. Okay, so similarly we find the value y corresponding to this value of x. So here we substitute this value of x here, we get y equals to 2 minus x, and over x is 1 minus square root of 10 into iota. So here we need to multiply this minus sign and we get minus 1 plus square root of 10 into iota. And here we add or subtract the like terms and we get y equals to 1 plus square root of 10 into iota. So this is the value of y corresponding to this value of x. So that here we have two solutions which we find here. The first solution is xy equals to 1 plus square root of 10 iota, and the value of y is 1 minus square root of 10 iota. And the second solution is xy equals to, the value of x is 1 minus square root of 10 iota and the value of y is 1 plus square root of 10 iota. So these are the two solutions of the given equation, and now we verify these solutions. Is the solution is satisfied our given equation or not? Okay, so to verify these solutions, first we copy down the given equations, and the first equation is x plus y equals to 2 and the second equation is xy equals to 11. And now here we just verify, I can just verify the first solution and I can just remain the second solution for up to you. You can do yourself the second solution. Okay, so now first we substitute these values of x and y on both of these equations and it will be written as, here first we put the value of x is 1 plus square root of 10 iota and the value of y is 1 minus square root of 10 iota, and this is equals to 2. So here you see that this is the negative and positive are cancelled by each other and we get 1 plus 1 is 2 equals to 2. This shows that the first solution is satisfied our first equation. And now we check the second equation and here we put the value of x, and over x is 1 plus square root of 10 iota and the value of y is 1 minus square root of 10 iota and it is equals to 11. And now in the next step you see here we need the nice square identity and we write it as 1 square minus square root of 10 iota and its whole square equals to 11. So this 1 square equals to 1 and this 2 and square root are gone and we get here minus 10 and this is iota square, and we know that iota square equals to minus 1 and this minus times of minus becomes here plus 10 equals to 11. So 1 plus 10 is 11 equals to 11. This shows that these values of x and y also satisfy the second equation. It means that this is the solution set of the given equation. And now similarly you can verify the second one. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.